Hi, my name is Suneet Bector, and I'm the president at Affinity Manufacturing. We have been hiring BCIT Trades Co-op students for more than 10 years. Here are 5 big reasons you should hire BCIT Trades Co-op students. Reason number 1, the quality of the candidates. BCIT offers the most comprehensive trades training programs in Western Canada. They have state-of-the-art machines and professional instructors who are very well connected with the industry. Next, a commitment to education. BCIT students are eager to learn and gain industry experience. They already have extensive hands-on training. Now it's time to put that training to work. Reason number 3, a commitment to short-term employment. Co-op is different from an apprenticeship. Students are hired to work for a fixed term and have the potential to be hired after graduation. Reason number 4, support of the co-op staff. The team at BCIT are there from the hiring process and throughout the work term. And finally, giving back. It's always rewarding to see a new graduate succeed and pursue their passion. As an employer, you have the ability to create a supply of skilled technicians during a time of skill shortage. And that's why we have been hiring BCIT students for more than 10 years. If you like to find out more, visit the website.